Hey fam, recording the YouTube video.
Hi. Am I here?
Yeah, she's in the back.
That was mine.
No, this one's. Where's yours? You didn't come back. Oh. Is that one of these is yours?
Mine's in a couple.
Oh.
Here you go.
So that was yours. Yeah, get a bag of chips.
Here,
Last bag of chips? There's brought enough to everybody to have 2 pieces.
I had mine too. She ate her two.
I ate one.
I said you ate this two. I ate my two. You had one. And Sissy had one.
I started to say I only ate one. I don't want it. I ate one. I'm
It's almost like a 3-point fireworks show because they got them like there.
good.
That's why I got the. That's why I got on landscape instead of portrait.
I was eating the rock.
So is this a YouTube's video showing off fireworks?
Yep. Okay, guys. So this one here is Barboursville. This is the main one. That's a household that does it over there. And then the one that was this way was.
Yeah, it's all
Well.
That one
I like that. That was orange.
So that's the only bad thing about this is like it's not picking up the colors of the fireworks unless they're red and blue and everything else is
Yeah,
yellow.
that's how it was when I took the pictures that one year. But I kind of quit taking pictures unless they were funky.
They had a killer opening. I got some of the opening on the show.
I heard some of it when we were in there.
It's like as soon as y'all walked, probably got in there and started.
Probably. Dude, now's the perfect time to go shopping.
There ain't no one there.
Yeah. Like we were whispering calls at least. Yeah.
I know. It's Walking Dead, probably.
Now there's enough people there to what one is.
So one of our neighbors.
Yeah. Neighbor guy down in the talk to his wife at the bus stop.
Yeah. See, if we could have found like a safer place to watch them at Huntington, I wouldn't mind watching them there.
So I was going to the Stumptown parking lot. Uh-oh. They have to come by.
And it begins.
It has begun. Might as well suck getting up to work. Over here with firecrackers and cop sirens all night.
I'll probably be able to. No matter what, I can't sleep for that crew.
If it gets to where there's enough of a lull to where I can go to sleep, unless it's like almost like we're outside the window, I'm pretty okay. Oh, those are nice. Right.
Well, because we're in that shop.
I know.
I can get out of my
Now.
Right.
If you're wondering why these ones are better than the main ones, those are a lot closer.
Yeah. That's just up the road. They usually set those off in the field real far away.
They're on that shack on top of the hill. It's like almost on the other side of the park.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like way away.
It's pretty cool, wasn't it, sis? I like them green ones.
Can you hear me my work?
Next year I'll go for the channel. We can get a drone for footage.
We shall try. What?
Hey, you know whenever we pull in right here and there's that's like the cool little pond? So there is.
Yeah.
That's called a dip to slow you down.
Yeah.
Speaking of drone,
Wait.
that's a helicopter,
That's a
bro.
helicopter. That's a
That's-
helicopter. There's one over there. There was one over there earlier.
They either slow down
Mom,
or they
I
crash.
see.
That's a helicopter, baby. Well, I don't know.
That's airplane.
Is it? So it's kind of low. There it is. No, thank you.
I like those in the little tiny helicopters. Like the little tiny drones that I used to get.
Yeah.
Or the little
The ones as soon as they would crash.
I similar to that one that got messed with Casper. Messed
Astro
it up.
did not having that. He did not like that. I know, I see.
I think they're trying to rival Barbersville.
Right.
Which-
That was pretty.
Because the thing is, you think that's so far away. People that are down there are probably enjoying the hell out of this shit.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's totally different if you're out of the park. Remember the year we went to the park?
Hold that right there. I got that distance on.
Okay.
Right there.
I'm holding. Adjustment of the seat.
Had to get the back of my knees on the shit on my.
Am I blocking you?
No.
No, she's excited.
Yeah.
That's pretty hot.
Huh?
It flew up. And then it just kind of went like this. It just kind of went like this.
Yeah. But it didn't let off the boom.
Yeah. I am not a fireman.
I'm making
Oh,
turn into.
no.
Had to. Couldn't help it.
Did you?
No, couldn't. Could not contain it. Went and pat me on the head.
Yes. That one.
That's the only part of the song I know. Lucky for everybody.
Well, any other thing, I would have to pause the video for copyright.
Oh, see, I didn't think about that.
Want to make yourself visible on the camera? They're standing right here. Stand right here. Say hi, everybody.
Gotta go over there.
You took all your medicine yet? I told you to take it before you went to take now.
I know it's like
Zyrtec? Not Zyrtec.
and my
That's what I'm talking about.
yeah.
Did you take the Flomax?
Yeah, I took the Flomax. I don't remember if I took a gummy or not. I thought I did earlier that morning. I couldn't find my spray and I couldn't find the alcohol.
Hello.
It was on the table.
Yeah, I couldn't. I was half asleep. I was like, no, look, I was
This one you
sitting
did?
there like this.
We're right by the place.
Hi.
You're already popular enough as it is on this channel.
Yeah, you're probably.
Who, me?
Her.
Her. She is very.
That's what you guys
I don't know. I'll let you piss me again if I wanted to. It's like,
I think I'm hungry too.
nah, it's too hot. I'm not full, it's too hot.
That's why I almost waited like almost 2 hours before I ate anything. I think that is a drone.
It is.
That is a turniper.
Yeah, stuff like the old burner.
They got the Earl burner.
Maybe the blue one.
No, that's their
When a car
car.
came by, honey.
Oh, that's the chipper.
Yeah, when you get home, flush out your nose. That was great in paint, wasn't it? Eddie. Walkman?
Bueno, sa mga yung this couple.
Ooh, that's what you were waiting on. Oh, there we go.
It's going crazy.
Yeah.
This ain't the finale.
No, I know it's not the finale, but that's what she likes is when they do a bunch of them at one time.
Should have loved the beginning. Because there's like 100 of them that went off. Oh no, it's a UFO. In the picture. Didn't it?
Do you want me to
Look, it would look like it looks like a UFO right there.
Where?
Right
Oh,
up,
that's nuts.
right above the fire.
Yeah.
See it?
I bet you that drone just got a beautiful picture.
That drone's on the backside of them now.
Do you want me to be
What is that? Is it?
over there?
What, baby?
Want me to be here? Daddy, have you put it over there because I saw some babies over there.
Yeah, they've already, it's,
Is it done?
No.
I'm a penguin.
I found that.
we're only 17 minutes into this. We ain't done.
What are you doing?
He's trying to get back.
Why don't you ask your mom to move out of the way, bro?
No, he could get in, he just couldn't get flung in there.
I'm squatting.
I couldn't watch myself.
Surprised you can sit on the curb like they want to.
Are you allowed to stay on
You know,
the
they
road?
think
Not you. If you promise to sit there and sit still, you can't. No, you know what? I don't know the way these people are driving by, so you're gonna stay there.
Yep, he's gonna sit right there.
That was crazy. I went,
Yep.
oh, wait, I have to this. I said I
We got intermission.
Done.
looked over there. I think the kind of light is up.
Normally there's not this big a gap in between. That's what I'm wondering.
Unless there's a faulty wire somewhere.
Junior's still going.
Well, I guess we'll start back up. I'll start the video back up to come back on. But God bless 4th of July. Love you guys.
Goodbye.